If you want to solve your Rubik's Cube under 1 second, do this scramble. Alright, from this angle, the cube looks solved, while from this angle, the cube is completely messed up. So hold your cube like that and then flip it super fast. And there you go. Let's do it slowly. Just execute these 4 moves 6 times. That's it. I do love the finger tricks of this pillow. That's why I put it in this video. You know, that looks so dope. Let's just do it together. I'm completely sure you guys know how to do it. Just 6 times R, U, R prime, U prime. I mean, is there anyone who doesn't know how to do it? I don't think so. Alright, do these 5 moves like that, and the cube kind of looks like a scramble, right? And now just reverse the algorithm and try to do it with my finger tricks. You know, this is the key of this magic trick and real important. Just like that. And if you want to know more about this magic trick and if you want to have better execution, just watch this video on my YouTube channel. That will help you a lot. You know, double T perms don't mess up the cube at all, so this is a great way to impress your friends, and just do it twice. Hold your cube from this angle and repeat these moves. And try to do it as fast as you can. I know it takes a bit long, but at the end of the day, you can finally solve it. I don't know, I think I once saw this challenge in one of Max Park's videos. And that's it. Alright, let's do this cool pattern together. I really like its name. That's pretty funny. Cube, in a cube, in a cube, and at the end, in a cube. We all know how to do U2 like that, but this one is something else. For this one, grab your cube. I want you all to do it with me. Come on, grab your cube. I'm waiting for you a little bit. And you know, this is the toughest scramble you have ever seen in your life. All right, let's do it. My goodness, can you see how tough it is? I can't believe it. Don't do you move like that? I mean, it's not that fast, and you know, everyone is doing that, and it's kind of boring and basic, and I have a super fast way for you, so let's just give it a try. Did you see that? It was way faster than normal you move. So at this time, instead of doing you move like that, do this algorithm. That was way faster.